With the Send a Notice option, you can convey important messages to the members of your apartment complex.
To send a notice, you need to be either a committee administrator or a notice board administrator. We will now show you how to send out a notice. In the mobile app, click menu icon at the top left corner. Navigate to Notice Board on the menu. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. In the web application, go to Forum and click on Notice Board in the menu. This will take you to a new page. On the top of this page, you will see 4 options. One out of them is Post New Admin Notice. Click it. You can now type out your notice. Start with a subject. If you choose to flash the notice, it will flash on the screen when your recipient logs into their account. You can also set the expiry period of notices. Next, if there are any files that need to be attached, you can do that by clicking Select Files. Type out the notice in the text box labeled Notice Description. Now, let's move on to selecting the recipients of the notice. Selecting Special Notice allows the notice to be sent out to even the members who have opted out of receiving messages. You can even send the notice out to your staff by selecting Copy Maintenance Staff. Next, select your audience in the drop-down menu. You can choose to send the notice to all member or owners or committee members. Select residents to send notice to both members and owners. Finally, click Post Notice. Selected recipients will receive a notification on their app. Notice will also be sent out as an email. Thank you for your time.